Hi everyone, welcome back to Joanne Tech Lover. I'm Joanne and I'll be taking a look at this Tenda Nova whole home mesh Wi-Fi system model MW6. I gotta say, the Nova really performs. It's smooth, it's fast, and it just makes other routers seem outdated. Let's see what comes in the box. First up, you get 3 power adapters as well as a quick install guide, and you get a 3-year warranty. And they've included 1 Ethernet cable. I love that it's a flat cable, which means it's hard to tangle. It's great that you get 3 Nova mesh Wi-Fi cubes. Each can act as a router or 1 router and 2 Wi-Fi extenders. These work at both 2.4 and 5 GHz. They support 802.11v and R, so you can seamlessly swap between your access points as you wander around the house or office. It's powered by mesh technology and features automatic networking. Here's a closer look at the Nova. I like the cube design and simple lines that make up this mesh Wi-Fi system. This is definitely something for people who prefer minimalist styles. Less is more in this case. Another perk is that you get matte finish, which means no fear of fingerprints making a home on the surface. It measures 3.9 inches by 3.9 inches by 3.9 inches. Perfecto! The operating environment should have a temperature between 0°C to 40°C. The front of this unit shows the Nova logo, and the rest of the sides are bare except for this groove at the back. This is where the cables route through from the bottom. At the top is the LED indicator. A solid blue light means that there's a good connection. Solid yellow means a fair connection. Solid magenta means a poor connection. And solid red means the Nova is disconnected. Let's move to the bottom of the unit. Looks like there's plenty of ventilation as well as raised rubber feet to keep things cool. This is the reset button. The SSID and password and QR code are located here. These are needed for the app. You get 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. From the left is the LAN port, next to that is the WAN port, and to the right is the power port. The extra LAN port can be used to directly connect to a computer, NAS, or other device that doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities. We have it plugged into a switch so we can attach multiple devices through hardwire. Next up is installation. For the first Nova install, power off your modem. Then use the Ethernet cable to connect the WAN port on the Nova to the modem. Make sure to plug in the power adapter too. After that's done, power on your modem. Then download and install the Tenda Wi-Fi app. Go to the Wi-Fi network list on your mobile device, select the SSID and enter the password, or scan the QR code. Once that's done, enter setup. Change your Wi-Fi name and password and the app will pretty much do the rest to get you connected. It was a seamless process. The Nova boxes will show up red in the app if they are not connected, so once they're all green, you're good to go. Right now, I'm in My Wi-Fi. Let's go to Settings. This is where you can toggle your wireless settings, parental control, port forwarding, and the like. Make sure to keep the firmware upgraded. Here's something cool. Go to Internet Settings. Right now, it's on DHCP, but if you want to use your own router, switch to bridge mode. You can even log in to manage the router anytime, anywhere. After the Nova unit is connected to the internet, the LED should turn solid blue. It's easy to connect the other Nova units as they come paired to each other out of the box. Nifty. There's no additional Ethernet cable required to sync everything. Make sure each Nova cube is less than 45 feet from the other. Then plug them in and you're good to go. An open area that's high up is ideal for each unit placement. If the other Nova devices don't light up solid blue, just move them closer to each other. A single Nova covers up to 2,000 square feet, and a pack of 3 can reach up to 6,000 square feet of connection. Wow, that's more than I'll ever need. If a cube disconnects, it'll automatically reconnect to an available unit so you stay online. The Nova can handle multiple simultaneous connections from various devices, and it's also compatible with Amazon Alexa. That wraps it up for this look at the Tenda Nova whole home mesh Wi-Fi system, model MW6. If you like what you saw and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons, as well as follow me on social media. Joanne Tech Lover Facebook, Joanne Tech Lover again on Twitter, and Joanne Tech Lover once more on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time!